You're watching a recap from Investor XP, the show that covers investing for gamers. Check out the video description for details. It is Thursday, June 29th. We've got a great show for you coming up today. We're going to be talking about a safety net for Apple. We've got a cautionary tale for you involving money. We're going to be talking about the rental car service and some Nintendo news. But most importantly, we're going to talk about the stock market and it basically plummeting today. So those are all going to be individual recap stories posted on YouTube. Be sure to check them out. That's what we got coming up for you live. So let's get started with talking about the stock market today. It is down. As you can see on the ticker below me, most of our stocks, I think the best ones are even for today, but most of them are down. And all of them are losing way pretty good. Let me go over to our kids' portfolio. I'll pull that up for you here. It's been the lowest since I remember on the show tracking it. It is down to, we're up 4.5%. Just yesterday that was close to 7% we were up. And days like this are absolutely great days, in my opinion, for long-term investors. They give you plenty of opportunity to jump back in the market. How's it going, those who are joining us live? So today, I wanted to look at a couple of stocks. The three that are being hit the most out of our portfolio are great buying opportunities. I want to stick to the buying stocks every month, but this may be an opportunity to get in on some of these. Activision is the first one I want to look at. It's down 4% today, and the reason that the market is down today, it could be part of the healthcare thing that's going on. There's some rumblings with the dollar. It's not a lot of reason. It could be just people taking some of their earnings, some of their gains off the table. But in any case, Activision has nothing to do with anything that's going on in politics or the market today. Backing up 4%. I like that one. It's actually been sliding a little bit over the last 5 days here. So we like Activision. That's certainly one of them that we're looking at today. I'll get to the viewer comments in just a second here. That's one of the stocks that you're asking about that we're going to get to. Collectors Universe, another stock that we like. They pay a pretty good dividend of about 5%. Very small company, small cap company that we own. You can find the videos on them that we've done in the past. $200 million company. They're down 4% today. Another good buying opportunity. And Seagate we're looking at, they're down 4% today. They've really been sliding over the last 5 days. They've been backing up quite a bit. As a matter of fact, I think they're about 10% down overall. They're one of our worst performing stocks right now. Yeah, they're down 10%. Seagate could be a good buying opportunity again for them. So that is our stocks that we like. This is the type of day that I talked about when I was in the video I discussed my trading strategy that I used to do. It was days like this where this is when I would buy stocks. I would literally wait around for stocks to perform like they are today, and stocks that were really strong that I liked, I would just buy them up today, and on the bounce back, I would sell them. And it was like just getting free shares of the stock. Activision is, I'm really tempted to just buy in some more of it. But I want to look at some of the viewer picks that we've had because they've performed absolutely phenomenally. So we'll pull up the viewer picks here. And there are some potential buys on the dip here today. As you can see, most of our viewer stocks are in the double digits. Regen, Tencent, AMD, Goose, which is a Canadian jacket company, Gilead, 9%. They were doing better. Micron, all have performed very well. And Thor was one that we did yesterday. They're down 2%, but most of them have been double digits. They've been up, and the viewer picks have been absolutely great. And a lot of them you can see today are down those large chunks, especially in AMD. AMD has been running lately, so them back down to 1250, a 5% drop. You can get a good bump. Goose, another 5% drop. Both of those from our viewers' picks look like excellent buying opportunity. Thor, we looked at them yesterday. Surprisingly good company, down almost 4%. Micron's been doing a good run. All of these 2-3% down. These are all pickups. I don't know if I would be buying them today. At the end of the day, I think the market's going to kind of go sideways tomorrow, so it won't be. I don't think it's going to slide more. It might slide a little. I don't think the bounce is going to come tomorrow. I think the bounce is going to come Monday is when I'm predicting everything to bounce back and start running again. So lots of buying opportunities today. Wait for it to settle. I might buy in tomorrow, late Friday, looking for a Monday morning pop in the stocks. If I do buy, I do want to kind of keep it to monthly investments like the plan is supposed to work. It's just, because we've already bought our June stocks. I get greedy sometimes when this happens, and I start thinking shorter term. We're buying the stocks for our kids' portfolio for long term, so little hiccups like this really don't matter. But I get the trader itch once in a while, so we'll see when that comes up. So I hope that answered on AMD. The pullback is another potential to get in on some AMD stocks. So let me know what you think in the comments in the video below. This is a good time to buy. I think it's a great pullback in time to get some stocks today. Certainly get your shopping lists out. A lot of buying opportunities out there. I'm going to wrap it up today. Depressing day in the market. It is down, down, down. Potential buying opportunity. I hope people use this opportunity, scoop up some good stock and make some money. Let me know if you do. Interested to hear from people who are going to be buying up some stocks today as it goes down. As always, subscribe if you haven't already, so that you get the latest investing news for gamers. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. We are live Monday through Friday, or check the recaps out on YouTube. Again, thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.